Ever held on to a stock that's losing value, just hoping it'll bounce back, or avoided a great investment simply because you're scared to lose? That's loss aversion, and it might be your brain's worst financial habit. Hey there, welcome back to FinXer. Let's hop into episode 4. In behavioral finance, loss aversion means we feel the pain of losing money twice as much as the pleasure of gaining it. So losing $1,000 feels way worse than gaining $1,000 feels good. The emotional imbalance leads us to make some very irrational choices. Say you buy a stock at $500 and it drops to $300. Instead of cutting your losses, you hold on. Not because it's smart, but because your brain hates the idea of locking in that loss. You'd rather hope than accept reality. Loss aversion isn't just for investors. It shows up when shoppers refuse refunds, entrepreneurs double down on failed ideas, or anyone refuses to move on because losing feels too painful. Set rules before you invest, like a stop-loss plan. Track decisions, not outcomes. Ask yourself, if I didn't already own this, would I buy it now? If the answer is no, maybe it's time to let go. Loss aversion is human, but it's also dangerous. Train your brain, question your fear, and next time you're about to hold on, ask yourself, is it logic or just emotion? This is Mind Over Money. See you in the final episode.